Hi friends, this is Chakri from Chakri LS channel. So today the topic is about how to install Lineage OS in Yuphoria, which is based on U5010 and U5010A. It will work for both phones, and you need a custom recovery for that. And then next, you have to download the ROM from the description below, which is Lineage 14.1 7.1, which is based on 7.1 nougat. So after downloading, they let you zip, which is lineage OS let you zip, place it in the SD card, and you have to download the G apps which are ARM64 7.1 pico. I recommend it to download only pico. So after that, head on to twrp recovery, and you should wipe the data first, which is go to the wipe section and advanced wipe and click on dalvik catch system data. You should not do only internal storage and external storage. Then after wiping is completed, head on to the install and locate the file where you have kept it. So first you have to install 14.1 lineage OS let you zip, which is 7.1 zip. Install that. After that, you have to install G apps. After installing G apps, again head on to again come back and go to the wipe section, and again wipe the dalvik and catch, because some bugs will be gone with that. After doing that, yeah, you will get the screen, a setup wizard, which is lineage OS setup wizard. it will take it will take to boot up to 10 to 15 minutes. So after that, you will get the screen. So make sure you are patient. Do not take off the battery. If you lost your patient, you will take that. So after that, going to here, notification panel is working, and settings, yeah, it's 7.1.1, which is lineage OH. Yeah, in futures, after a 1 month usage, you will get the lineage OS update to 7.1.2. So going to have Wi-Fi is working. Yeah, we'll see Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth is also working. Here data, coming to data, mobile data. I'll turn on the mobile data. Yeah, mobile data is also working. Sorry, I can't show you about the VoLTE support is working or not. It's working fine. Then coming to your new things are, you can see the home screen, a pixel like nav bar. You can see the reaction when you touch on home nav bar, and long press you will get the Google Assistant 2 when you install Google app from the Play Store. I didn't install it for now. So going to the multitasking, going to the multitasking, audio effects, settings. But you can't resize the screen because this phone is very small size. So it will come in Moto G5 Plus maybe. Now if you press like this, when you go to the home screen, the only problem is again you will get the multi window only like this. you have to resize it to full screen, and then you can clear the all the things. So going to the browser is working fine, and videos I saw the video review too in YouTube by browser. It's working, and YouTube will also work. And yeah, SoundCloud is working, phones are going, and like camera is also working. Here you can see that. Yeah, the picture quality is good. Yeah, it's good, so don't worry about that. So come back, camera is working, you can see that microphone is working, speaker is working, because you can see hear the touch sounds. Yeah, all things are working now for root access. And the only one I have to say is, after installing this ROM, you should not flash again into TWRP. If you want to install Super SU, you don't need that. Go to the head on to the about phone and go to build number, tap on it for 7 to 8 times, and you get the developer options. And from here you should don't toggle the advanced restart too, and here you will get the root access. Yeah, give it to the apps and RDP, and here you can manage your root access. So thanks friends for watching this video. I told you how to do all things, so make sure you go with that procedure. So thanks friends for watching this show. Like and subscribe my channel for next video, which is based on MIUA 8.2